Hello! Let's make a game! We're gonna play Gamedev Tycoon and hopefully not go bankrupt, which is what happened when I was playing on mobile. Um, so I play this game on and off all the time. Sometimes you just want to play some sort of like simulation strategy type of game. So we're gonna start off our game development career. I guess we'll call this Moosader, and my name is Rachel. What gender am I? Oh man, I do not know. I suppose that's boy? That's girl? That looks more like my hair, honestly. I like stripies, so we're gonna go with that. Let's import our hints, I guess. We don't want to rediscover stuff all over again. Let's use this 4 years ago Moosader. Oh. No, not... I thought that was going to import the other thing. Let's overwrite Florp Plorp. I don't think I played it much. And we will get started on a new game. So, it's probably... Let's see what platforms. We have basically the Commodore 64, or I guess the Gamedev 64, and a PC. You know what? It's cheaper to develop on PC. I know this from personal experience, so let's do that. And as we keep playing, we'll unlock more of these. I used to make virtual pets all the time when I was a kid, when I was working with BASIC. They didn't have graphics, they'd just be ASCII art. We'll just, I don't know what to call this. Virtual mooses. It's an offshoot of the Cats series. Text-based. Let's add basic graphics. Wow, 10K for graphics. Is that really what it costs me to make a game? Maybe in a... what is it called? Like the potential money you could be making if you had a full-time job. That doesn't matter. For our virtual pet, we want to have the best gameplay. And honestly, I don't know how these sliders work, because I could do that, or do that, and it's all the same. I don't know. We'll see. We're just gonna make our first set of games. Oh, no, thank you. Don't need dialogue with our virtual pet, but we need really smart virtual pets. And those pluses and minuses to let me know what things go together is just from previous playthroughs. World design? There's no world, you just live in a room. Man, I wish I had 42k saved up. I do not. And if you count student loans, I have negative money. Finish. Experience points. Release the game. Good topic genre combination. Yes, a virtual pet with simulation. Monthly cost 8K. What reviews do we get? This always makes me nervous because I don't like that rolling number. You'll see like a 10, you see a 1. Though usually if you see a 10, it'll be on the good side of a 5. Hey, look! First game did good. And then we can generate a game report to basically come up with information of like why the game performed well or did not. So let's do that really quick. It sold 3,000 units! That is unimaginable to me. We have 17 fans! Yes, let's look at the game report. Sound seems to be really important for a virtual moose game. We can also do research on a new topic. I don't want to make a custom engine at this point. But yeah, we have those topics. We're just gonna stick with what we have as the core right now. So let's do post-apocalyptic, RPG, We are PC all over the way. Huh, what would one call a post-apocalyptic RPG? Man, I am not a creative titler. Well, what would happen? Actually, I'm gonna get really tired of making titles after a while. It needs like a little random title generator button that just uses titles from existing games or something, like merges pieces together. Let's say, too much damn snow. Because right now it's been snowing for 2 days straight. This is going to be a text adventure. It does not need graphics to have a good RPG experience. And we'll adjust this. Apparently, you don't need a very good engine for your RPG. That seems weird. And gameplay, that seems counterintuitive to me. And since we're sitting here, I'm going to talk about the myth of starting up in a garage. 10k units sold! Amazing. This little character is more successful than I am already. Boop, boop. I guess we don't need good intelligence for our RPG. I don't know who the freak even sets up their shit in the garage unless you just have very stable climate. Because, here in Kansas, it would be frickin' cold in the winter and frickin' hot in the summer. I just use our second bedroom. Also, certain companies that quote-unquote started in a garage, actually just bought a garage so they could kinda, or, bought a place with a garage so that they can fit into that mold and didn't, actually start there. I know, but we're gonna stick with PC. PC for life. I grew up on PC games because my parents did not want to buy a console. Let's check out the report for too much damn snow. And also see our reviews. It looks like it'll be low. Oh. Oh, this one's gonna be higher. Not bad. Maybe I have a knack for choosing topics with genres. I don't think my report happened. 98k! This really is a fantasy game. Level design is very important. Okay. Next game. Aliens. Action. PC. This'll be called, Angel Hat Fighting Devolved. I don't know. It needs graphics at least. This is gonna be a top-down shooter with aliens. Now we gotta readjust these. I kinda wish you could pre-choose those slidey slides. Dinky King. You need good intelligence to fight against the aliens. You need good alien intelligence. Apparently the world does not matter, but sound is important. I guess you need to know where the monsters are coming from. Too much damn snow is now off the market. Like, I only fix bugs at the end of development, apparently. And then I just added a magic bug right at the end there. Can I change the name? Okay, cool, I could. I didn't know that. Release the game! And I guess start the next game! We'll just keep going! Haven't done history yet. History adventure? History strategy, that's probably more likely. Let's see. I know that there are historical strategy games. I cannot think of their names for the life of me right now. I keep wanting to say Command and Conquer, but that's not really historical. let's see. Stab the Nazis. That's a good title. Good engine. I don't know. Angel hat. 6. 7. I kind of wish I could also fast forward through this part. It's a little slow. Actually, what I would like to do is make a game similar to this. Yeah, okay. But, like, have it kind of... history, I don't know. Generate screenshots of the game based on what you've selected. And just kind of, like, procedurally make silly looking things. Let me see. I don't know. Is my mouse showing up right now? I don't think it is. Let me... Oh, it says it should be capturing the cursor. Never mind. To Rachel. We are the creators of Dev Tycoon and would like to thank you very much for purchasing the game and supporting us. I have bought the game twice. And that's so nice. This is available on mobile as well. I have it on my Android phone. Okay, don't put a bug in right as I click finish. I'm watching you. And we generate the game report for Angel Hat. And, I mean, this is the main loop. I hope everyone wants to stab the Nazis. Eh. Eh. So, we can do contract work, earn some extra cash, but we're okay right now. Levels is important for whatever that was. Let's see, what else can I talk about? That is a menu. I don't know what this was written in. I kind of want to open up the local files and figure out what we got. Now, I'm not going to buy a license for the TES because I am computer all the way. We could do contract work. Contract work gives me anxiety. Especially this day and age when everything is so freaking complicated. Like, you can't just freaking write a nice little piece of software that does something. It has to be, like, freaking bloated and terrible. I don't see anything obvious in the files. Scripts? JavaScript? There's some JavaScript stuff. Sorry, I am just looking through the thing. Okay, well, perhaps we should figure out how to make a game engine. Me, I can make a game engine, but then I'm always very wishy-washy on, like, oh yeah, I'll stick with this technology. Or create your own game engines. Yep. Yay! Now we need to research the different parts of the engine. Oh, not the topic. Let's learn how to do mono sound. We don't need tutorials yet, right? We're still in the early days. Yeah, it's hard to choose, like, what you want to do. Because there's mobile platforms. No, we don't need that, but we do need a new topic. Music or rhythm. Let's do zombies. Or you can have a web-based game, or you can have a console-based game, or you can have a PC-based game. And I suppose if I just used Unity, I would be fine. I am weird, and I have a hard time with things. Let's do an adventure game. We'll call this... the Oops. Wobbling. No, come on. Let me type the thingy. Deceased. It will be the best adventure game. Apparently don't need that much gameplay. Fine, okay. If I had employees, I could, I think, make them research while I do other things. I don't totally remember. This is an adventure game. We don't need intelligence. Whee! Whoa! Sound doesn't matter. Okay. There we go. We're gonna just, you know, keep doing some stuff. Wow, there's a lot of music-y ones. Let's see our reviews. Oh no. Oh no. We made a bad game. That's okay. Our first bunch of games were apparently a success. And now we're gonna make a dancey game. Oh yeah, I have that custom game engine I could make, but... we'll just call this the Moose Engine 1. It'll have 2D graphics version 2, linear story support, save game support, which I like, and mono sound. And then we will use it to make a dancing game. Whee! Yay! Man, I have not invested money like that into a game engine. Again, unless you count, like, hours. So let's make a new game. Click. I'm gonna make a dancey dance game. What do you do for dance games? Oh, I should, like, research casual play. I don't know if that's available. Action Dancer. For the PC. Aero Dancy Revolt. We need those 2D graphics version 2. That means, you know, not just 16 by 16 sprites, but actual bigger sprites. You know, let's put a story in it. Who cares? It's fine. Don't need to save the game, though. You should be able to dance your way to the end of the game in one session. Otherwise, you suck. Dialogue does not matter. Actually, artificial intelligence also doesn't matter. Level design is what's important. Yep. And we need sound. Let's do mono sound, not just PC speaker bowl. New research, target audience. Who's my target audience? I have no idea. I'm bad at marketing. Release the game! How to dancey dance. Oh, looks like it's gonna be on the good side of 5. 7! Holy crud. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Well, cool. I know you want to play it. I'm gonna go ahead and save the game. I feel like, I mean, this is gonna be mostly the same thing until I have enough money to upgrade, but I'm not gonna like do a full playthrough because it's gonna be kind of just the same thing. But if it looks fun and you want to try it out, you should go visit Greenheart Games. Yay! I have this on Steam, but I also have it on Android, so you can do that too. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye!